Did you know that General Motors has just banned a popular aftermarket kit that brought back Apple CarPlay to its electric vehicles? Stick around to find out why this decision has sparked controversy and what it means for car buyers. Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is March 25th, 2025, and we've got a lot to unpack, from Apple's latest AirPods Max updates to a deep dive into the company's innovation challenges. General Motors has made waves by ordering its dealers to stop installing an aftermarket kit that allowed Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration in its Ultium platform electric vehicles. This kit, offered by White Automotive and Media Services, was previously available through LaFontaine Chevrolet in Michigan. GM claims the kit could interfere with critical vehicle functions and might not work with future software updates. Interestingly, this kit was introduced after GM decided to remove Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from its vehicles in late 2023, opting for its proprietary infotainment system instead. Critics argue that this move could alienate car buyers, as studies show nearly half of them prioritize these connectivity features when choosing a vehicle. GM's decision highlights the ongoing tension between automakers and consumer preferences for third-party tech solutions. Apple has announced a significant update for its AirPods Max, introducing a USB-C port and a firmware update next month that will enable lossless audio and ultra-low latency. While Apple's marketing team is calling this a game-changer for sound quality, critics are raising eyebrows. According to Apple's own documentation, the difference between AAC and lossless audio is virtually indistinguishable, leading some to question whether this update is more hype than substance. However, the lower latency feature could be a boon for gamers and content creators. This update will roll out alongside iOS 18.4, iPadOS 18.4, and macOS 15.4, so keep an eye out if you're an AirPods Max user. In related news, Apple has launched a new USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable, priced at $39. This cable is designed for AirPods Max and Beats Studio Pro headphones, allowing users to connect directly to devices like Macs or in-flight entertainment systems. The cable is bidirectional, meaning it works for both audio out and audio in, making it versatile for various setups. This release aligns with Apple's broader push to enhance audio experiences, including the upcoming firmware updates for AirPods Max. If you've been waiting for a high-quality, low-latency audio solution, this might be worth checking out. Shifting gears to Apple's AI efforts, a recent analysis by David Heinemeier Hansen draws a stark comparison between Apple's current struggles in artificial intelligence and Microsoft's past failures in the mobile market. Hansen argues that Apple's AI initiatives lack clear direction and leadership, with the company failing to deliver on promised features. He points to overconfidence among Apple executives and suggests that CEO Tim Cook may not have the product insight needed to steer the company's AI strategy. This critique comes at a time when Apple is facing increasing competition in AI from rivals like Google and OpenAI. Could this be a wake-up call for Apple to rethink its approach? Benedict Evans has also weighed in on Apple's innovation challenges, noting that the company seems to be struggling to maintain its legacy of groundbreaking products. While Apple has historically been a leader with devices like the iPhone and Mac, recent projects like the Vision Pro headset and the delayed new Siri have fallen short of expectations. Evans highlights that Apple's focus on services, while profitable, lacks the innovation that once defined the company. He warns that delays and missteps in areas like AI and extended reality could erode Apple's competitive edge, especially as rivals in China continue to advance rapidly. Finally, let's talk about Apple's ambitious new campus project. The company is developing a massive 536,000 square foot office and production campus called Culver Crossings, located on the border of Los Angeles and Culver City. This state-of-the-art facility will include production studios, a public plaza, and enough space for 2,400 employees. It's part of Apple's $500 billion investment plan across the US and reflects the company's commitment to expanding its footprint in the entertainment and tech sectors. The campus is expected to open next year, further solidifying Apple's presence in the competitive LA market. That wraps up today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to dive deeper into any of the stories we covered, you'll find all the links in the episode notes. Don't forget to subscribe and join us tomorrow for more updates on everything Apple. See you next time.